Hi, we are from Rajarambok Institute of Technology, Islampur, Maharashtra. Today we are going to explain about Aneka. Aneka is developed under Microsoft Private Limited, Melbourne University, Australia by Sir Rajkumar Bhuya. Next. Basically, there are cloud provides three types of services: AaaS, PaaS, SaaS. AaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service, PaaS stands for Platform as a Service, and SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Basically, what is present in AaaS is it provides us the basic infrastructure. That is, it contains network, storage, and physical devices. It is the basic cloud requirement which is required by each and every company. Next, coming to PaaS, it is platform as a service. Example of platform as a service is Salesforce.com. Actually, it provides the runtime environment and SDK tools for developing an application. Our Aneka is also a PaaS application. Next, coming to SaaS. SaaS is a software as a service. It contains the softwares which are given to the end user. That is, example of SaaS are Gmail, Facebook. These are developed on PaaS and uses the infrastructure of us and provide service as SaaS and are given to the end users. Next, Aneka is a cloud application development platform. This is used to develop applications which are used at PaaS. Aneka is a .NET based cloud computing platform. That is, it only supports .NET and it does not support for the other OS. It only supports for Windows, and then it provides three types models: thread, task, and MapReduce. Thread is used when we require high computational power. Task is also required when is used when we require large computational power plus large multitasking is required. MapReduce is used when we require when the input is too high. Next, Aneka contains a master-slave architecture. That is, it contains one master and we can create a number of workers as we require and according to our availability of resources. Master will take the task from the client and it will divide the task and it will assign to workers. After the work is processed by the workers, it will be returned to the master and it will give result back to the client. And in this section we will see installation of Aneka, creating master and worker architecture, and we will run few applications on our Aneka cloud.
We have already installed the Aneka software. Then next we will open the Aneka Management Studio. Here we just click no, in which we install two nodes, one as a master and second one is as a worker. Here file, add machine, one pop-up window is come in which gives host IP of your machine, which is give your own machine IP address. My machine IP address is 172.16.10.243, service port 9000, platform Windows, gives the credential AR, then OK. Here in which installed machine, the machine is come, go on this and click right click on that and start that machine. Next, right click on that installed machine and install the container. Here first probe that first check this port number is free or not. So probe this not free, so take another port number, check there is also this port number not free, then take a random port number and probe. Here the port is free, select one master as and or worker, select first master, then next. This provides enable secure communication or not. In this we have not taken the secure communication, so next. In which gives the persistent modes, memory, in memory or relational data, we take a memory, next, then next. In this failover, if you want to give if you want to if our master is failed, then it all the works gives the failover master. So in this we are not generate the failover master, click just next. In which there are several services, in which we take all the services for master node. So in map reducing executor we gives the our system username and password. Next, here container is installed. Next, we generate the worker on same IP address. Just we check first the port is free or not, give the random port number. Here port is free, gives the worker as here reference master, gives the reference master for that worker. So our master IP address is 16.10.16.10.243 and the port number is 9090, and then probe, yes, this container is active. Then next, if you want to give our worker for working hours cost, then we also give the cost, but in our structure we are not giving the any cost for worker. So just click next, no failover, next, next. Here the worker is generated, we see worker and master. Here we see in the one master is generated, this, and two workers are generated. So
now we are going to run application which is based on Aneka. Here we can see that here is one master and two workers. So now we are going to run application. Microsoft Aneka, and here are some applications of Microsoft, and one of these is convolution. It is a image processing application which is based on Aneka and cloud computing. We can take any image. This is an image processing application. This application processes the images. We can choose any one image. This is small image, 9.4 kb. Select. Now in settings Aneka, and here the master address of a master node, which is given already 172.16.10.243. 16.2243 and username and password will be given before AR and AR. Okay. Here are some method processes of image processing: the smooth, blur, mean removal. We can run any one of them. The total slices are 6. We can choose any one of them. The age detection. There is we can see that here mean slice processing time, max slice, and average slice time. There are total 6 slices are executed, and here we can see that the statistics also. Here we can see that total completed slice are 6, and this worker done for four processes, and this worker process 2 processes.
Hello friends, I am Digresh. Now I will going to explain you about how to run and sample application in Anekha. So first we have to go in all programs. There is folder having name Manjrasoft. Manjrasoft Anekha. After that there is a sample applications here. So I will going to run Mandelbrot. In this application we have to give the number of cells, means first have to give horizontal cells and also vertical cells. We are providing here 5. So the total number of cells will be 25. So we will run first by pressing this green button here. After that we have to provide IP address of master node. So it is 172.16.10.243, and we also have to enter some credential that we have already given here, which is AR, and password is also AR. Okay. Now this process is executed. This image is already inbuilt in Anekha, and it is proceed here, and we can also see that which worker processed this image. There are total 25 cells here, and first worker completed processed on 13 cells, and second worker processed on 12 cells. So all total cells are processed by 2 workers. Now we will change the number of cells. Suppose we considered 10 horizontal cells and 10 vertical cells. So there will be total number of 100 cells. We have to proceed. And let's start. We can see here this image is processing in background. Application finished. Now we will see the statistic of the application. There are total number of 100 cells here, and first worker completed 53 cells and second worker completed its 47 cells. So this is an application which is inbuilt in Anekha, and yes, thank you for watching.